In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the No Playable Sources Found error in Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, and Opera. If you've tried watching a video online and instead received a message saying, "No playable sources found," don't worry. This error is usually caused by a browser setting, outdated data, or a temporary issue with the website. In this tutorial, I'll show you several simple methods that can help resolve the problem and get your videos playing again. Let's start by refreshing the web page. Sometimes the video doesn't load correctly because of a temporary connection issue. Simply reload the page and wait a few moments for the video player to initialize. If the error still appears, close the browser completely, reopen it, and try the website again. The next step is to clear your browser's cache and cookies. Over time, stored website data can become outdated or corrupted, which may prevent videos from loading correctly. Open your browser's settings, go to the Privacy section, and choose the option to clear browsing data. Select Cached Files and Cookies, then complete the process. After that, restart your browser and revisit the website. Now, check whether your browser is up to date. Open the browser menu and navigate to the About page. Chrome, Firefox, Edge, and Opera will automatically check for updates when you open this section. If an update is available, allow it to finish and restart the browser. New browser versions often include fixes for video playback and compatibility issues. Another common cause is an extension interfering with video playback. Open your browser's extensions or add-ons page and temporarily disable extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, or video-related extensions. Once they're disabled, reload the web page to see if the video plays correctly. If it does, you can enable your extensions one at a time to identify which one is causing the issue. If the problem continues, try opening the same video in a private or incognito window. This starts the browser with a clean session and usually disables most extensions, making it easier to determine whether a browser setting or extension is responsible for the error. As a final step, if none of the previous methods work, reset your browser settings to their default configuration. This removes unwanted changes that could be preventing videos from playing while keeping your browser in a clean state. That's all there is to it. After completing these steps, the No Playable Sources Found error should be resolved, and your videos should play normally again. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,